Have you ever thought about dehydrating your own food at home?
Actually, can't say I have. What's got you interested?
Well, I found this Excaliber 9-tray electric food dehydrator and it's pretty amazing.
9 trays? That's a lot.
Yeah, 15 square feet of drying space.
Wow.
It's like they want you to dehydrate your entire garden.
That's impressive. How does it work?
So it uses this Hyperwave technology.
Hyperwave technology? What's that about?
It's about even heat distribution. Instead of just blowing hot air around, it creates horizontal parallax drying. The
Interesting.
warm air flows evenly across all the trays.
So no need to rotate trays halfway through?
Exactly. You just
Nice.
set it and let it do its thing.
Sounds convenient. Does it really dry food faster?
According to reviews, yes. People say it dries food faster and more evenly. It's more
Okay.
efficient than traditional dehydrators.
But what about nutrient preservation?
Good question. The low-temperature drying helps preserve vitamins and enzymes, so you're getting
Oh, that's
healthier dried
great.
foods.
Healthy and tasty, can't complain there. But is it easy to clean? 9 trays could be a hassle.
Actually, the trays are dishwasher safe, so
That's
cleanup is
handy.
pretty straightforward.
That's a relief. Any downsides we should know about?
Well, some users mention it's a bit noisy,
Noisy? How bad is it?
about as loud as a box fan running. Noticeable but not too bothersome.
I don't know. For me, noise can be a real issue. I might find that annoying.
That's fair. Maybe running it
Yeah.
at night or when you're out could help.
Possibly. What about the build quality?
Some folks say the plastic trays feel a bit flimsy, but
Oh.
if you're careful, it's manageable.
Flimsy trays could be a problem long term.
True, but some people get sturdier aftermarket trays.
That's
so
an
there's
option.
a workaround.
Is it beginner friendly though? I mean, I've never dehydrated anything.
Definitely. You just load the trays, set the temperature, and let it work.
Simple enough.
It's great for newbies.
Do they provide any guides or recipes?
It comes with a dehydration guide, but some wish it was more detailed. You
Oh.
might need additional resources.
Not a deal breaker. Plenty of info online.
Exactly. And people are getting creative. Jerky, fruit leathers, dried herbs, even yogurt.
Wait, yogurt in a dehydrator?
Yeah, you can culture yogurt at a consistent low temperature. It's
That's
surprisingly
cool.
versatile.
I'm getting intrigued. But isn't there a newer model?
Yes, the Excaliber Performance Series with 10 trays.
10 trays? They're really upping the game.
Indeed. It has more power, a dual timer, and a stainless steel door. It's designed
Fancy.
for serious enthusiasts.
Dual timer sounds useful. How does it work?
You can set it to dry at one temperature for a set time, then switch to another automatically.
Handy for different recipes, but it's pricier, right?
Yep, it costs more, but it might be
Figures.
worth it if you're really into dehydrating.
You know, I think I'll start with the 9-tray model.
Good plan. No need to splurge right away.
Exactly.
We can always upgrade later.
So are we becoming dehydrator aficionados?
Haha, seems like it. I'm ready to make some homemade snacks.
Same here. Time to get those taste buds ready.